In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the conversion API for the Facebook pixel on Woocommerce. This setup ensures accurate tracking and reporting of your website's conversion data, which can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. If you're unfamiliar with WordPress, you'll find this by appending WP admin to your website's URL. Make sure you enter your credentials carefully to access the backend of your site. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand side. Hover over it and click on Add New. This is where you install new functionality for your WordPress site, and what we're about to install is crucial for integrating with Facebook. In the search bar that's now in front of you, type in Facebook for Woocommerce. This plugin is specifically designed to connect your WooCommerce store to your Facebook page and make integration smooth and effortless. You'll see a list of plugins. Find the one that says Facebook for WooCommerce and click on Install Now. Once it's installed, a button marked Activate will appear. Click it to activate the plugin and bring it to life on your site. With our plugin activated, we need to head over to the WordPress dashboard once again. Locate the marketing option on the left and then click on Facebook. This section houses all the Facebook integrations for your store. You'll now see a Get Started button. Click this to commence the process of connecting your WooCommerce store with your Facebook business platform. This connection is integral for accurate tracking and will bring you to a new page. At this point, you'll be redirected to Facebook. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Facebook profile associated with your Business Manager account. Any mismatch here could lead to integration issues down the line. Follow the on-screen prompts to select the appropriate settings. These include choosing the correct Business Manager account, your Facebook page, an Instagram profile if you have one connected, and importantly, your Facebook pixel. If this step is skipped or set up incorrectly, your conversion tracking data might not be accurate. During the setup process, make sure to enable automatic advanced matching. This feature helps improve data accuracy by matching user information seamlessly. Turn on all relevant options to ensure you are getting the most precise data possible. Once all selections are made and options toggled, confirm the connection and settings to finalize the setup. The great thing about the Facebook for WooCommerce plugin is that it automatically integrates with the Conversions API as soon as you connect your account. This means there's no need to manually input API credentials or perform further technical steps, making the process streamlined and straightforward. And just like that, your conversion API is all set up and running. This integration will provide you with accurate conversion tracking, giving you better insights into your marketing data and helping optimize your campaigns going forward.